message, there is one customer in this location, go pick up this location. Okay, sir, we have Yango application. You will receive mobile, okay, for the Yango application. I think most of you work as a taxi driver, and there is also some work over with the Uber, right? So it's safe. Everything is safe. So it's easy. So we have training during you come there, during until you receive the driving lesson, you will have training. So don't worry about how I will work there, what the place is there, the area, everything you will go in the training. And you will be sure you will not go from the training until you know everything. Because since you finish and you get the driving lesson and finish the training, there is one test and the RTE.